How to fix this site can be reached error on Google Chrome. So first of all, simply tap on the app, and if your website is not loading, simply try opening on the incognito mode by tapping on the three vertical dots over here and tap on the new incognito tab. Then try searching for the website that you are looking, for example YouTube. Then simply tap on the app and tap on the app info icon right over here. Scroll down and tap on the storage and tap on clear cache and tap on clear data right over here and tap on clear all data and here. Then head back and simply tap on the first stop icon right over here and tap on OK to confirm your decision. Then close all the application from your menu, and for the last part, head over to your Play Store and go to the search bar and type in Chrome and hit search. Now see if any update is available. If there is an update, tap on the update icon that will appear right over here instead of open, so that you get the latest versions. And after your app is updated, simply tap on open and try opening the app or website right over here by simply searching the website that you want to open. And that's it guys. In this way you can easily solve this problem. Thank you for watching this video.